Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to our Exposed. We're now going to have issue 2 of Build Titanic, the Ship, the Legend from Hachette Partworks. Okay, so like me, many of you would have been getting your subscriptions through over the weekend. I got my first subscription as well. So if you haven't yet subscribed to this, there's still time. You can head on over to buildthetitanic.com. We'll put links down in the description down below, so you can head on over there. Or you can head on over to hachettepartworks.com. You'll also find it on there. Okay, so let me show you what you get with issue 2 and what we're doing. So issue 2, we do get the first parts for our hull, as you can see in there, looking really, really nice. We also get the Titanic nameplate up there as well, so we'll take them out and show you in a minute. You also get this little letter in with your subscription as well. If this is your first delivery, you will get this letter in there as well. So this is just telling you, I will read it to you. It says, "Dear subscriber, thank you for subscribing to the Titanic collection. We hope that you are excited to begin building your model. We are aware that within this dispatch you are expected to receive your first subscription gift, your tin poster. Unfortunately, due to production delays, we are unable to send your tin poster with this dispatch. We can confirm that you will receive your tin poster in your next dispatch. We are very sorry for any disappointment caused and would like to thank you for your understanding and patience. Yours sincerely, Hachette Partworks." That's a little note from Hachette Partworks there. There's a little out of their control. It was on one of them shipping containers that have been delayed. So it's nice of them to put something in there to let you know we'll get that next time. So issue 2, here's our magazine. And just like before, you do get all your facts and everything, your story behind the Titanic first. And as you go towards the back of the page, you will get your build instructions. So this is everything you should have here. Basically, we're going to start off by making the hull. We're going to take these two parts of the hull, we're going to connect them together just like so, and making sure they do fit. We're going to connect them together and seal them in with some AM screws. And turning over to the back, we shall be adding this support bracket down here. We're going to be adding 4 AM screws onto that. We've got to make sure they go onto these 4 holes here. 4 AM screws, and that is all we have to do. So we get this nice little screwdriver in there. That's going to help when we go to connect all the parts for the hull together. And we also get the Titanic nameplate, which we don't use in this issue, but I'm sure we will use soon. So it's very exciting to get our first pieces of the hull. So I've been looking forward to this and seeing how good the quality is on the die-cast metal hull. So without further ado, let's get the parts open and start building. So the parts out of the packaging, the first thing we're going to take a look at is the Titanic nameplate. We don't actually use this in this issue, but we can have a look at it. So that is the nameplate that's going to go on the side of the Titanic. As you can see, we've got the Titanic written along there and embossed in gold. So that's really, really nice. This part is plastic, along with the support bracket. They are plastic. Everything else is die-cast metal. They also give us this little screwdriver as well. We want to keep this screwdriver safe, because this is going to help when we get to those fiddly bits of the hull. So make sure you keep this screwdriver safe. And then we get our 2 pieces of the hull. So these are the 2 pieces of the hull. These are both die-cast metal, as you can see, or here. They are both die-cast metal. So what we're going to concentrate on first is connecting these 2 parts together. So this is the upper part of the hull, as you can see. We get the part where our anchor is going to come up there. Our nameplate will eventually sit up here somewhere. And this is the lower half of the hull. Really, really nice detail on there. Really nice texture as well. So the first thing we've got to do is turn this one over. I'm going to connect in this one to the back. So we're going to be concentrating on these 2 parts here, over the end, just like that. Test the fit. They do fit really, really nice. And we're going to be securing them down in them 2 holes with some AM screws. So let's get the first screw of today in. I'm going to use the screwdriver that they supplied. That's the first one in. Let's get the second one in. That is them 2 parts connected together, and have a look at that. Doesn't that look really, really nice? So as you might see better on the side camera, they do come out at an angle, because we're going to have the whole of the hull, and it's going to come out the way, and this side will go out the way like that, making our Titanic hull. So that is really, really nice. It does already have a little bit of weight to it, so when we got the full hull, this will be some weight. So the next thing we're going to use is this part here, which is our support bracket. And what we're going to do is we're going to be concentrating on these 4 holes just here. Be applying them down just like so. What this is going to do is going to help when we connect the next parts on. So we need to put in 4 AM screws with this. So I'm going to start with this, getting these in. the first one. I'm going to keep going with these. I'm going to put one down the bottom here. Screws are going in really nice as well. That's that one. 2 more to go in these 2 holes here. Let's get this one in. And the final screw of issue 2 is going right at the top, just here. And there we are. That is our first part of the Titanic hull all complete. So the Titanic nameplate, I believe, will go somewhere around about here, somewhere like that. We'll probably get pegged into there somewhere like that. But that is really nice so far. Can't wait to start getting the hull all built up and get this ship start looking like the Titanic. So this is everything you should have after your first delivery. So what we did in issue 1 is we completed the forecastle. There's still a few parts to go on there for the anchors and everything, but yeah, that is that. And we completed this today, which is our first part of the hull, and we've also got our nameplate. We've got a screwdriver that we need to keep safe as well. So yeah, that is really impressive for a first delivery. And yeah, so this section of the hull will sit roughly around about there, so you can sort of see the sort of size of the Titanic. There's still some white area to go up here, so that will probably sit around about there. Yeah, look at that, looking really nice. So that is it, guys, and that is issue 2 all complete, and I really enjoyed that issue. I just can't wait for the next lot of parts to come now. But if you haven't yet subscribed to this for yourself, you can head on over to buildthetitanic.com and you can pick it up for yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.